Before starting the vehicle, this is driver's refreshing lesson. So before starting the vehicle, check gear in neutral, handbrake on, align your mirrors, all 3 mirrors, then start the car. Yes, and the sequence is accelerator, brake, clutch. Clutch is left leg, brake and accelerator is a right leg. Now hold the clutch down, slip into first gear, get the white point, then release the handbrake. This is the sequence. Hold the clutch down, put the first gear, get the white point, then release the handbrake. This is the first sequence. Now the vehicle has been started. Let's move forward. Left leg on the clutch, right leg on the brake, first gear on, release, get the white point, and handbrake down and move forward. Turn left. Turn left. You can turn left still. Yes. Slow. No, rotate the steering. Turn left here. That's it. Yeah. Align the vehicle. Use the steering control to align the vehicle. Yeah, you can go. If you want, you can use the hazard. You can go. Second gear. Clutch down and second gear. And there is a narrow gap. If you require, you can use the honk. That's why I said you should. If you want, you can use the honk. And give slight throttle because there is an uphill. By the way, I'm not a professional instructor. I'm using my driving skills which I have learned and which I have been using for last 20 years to teach a driver or to teach a candidate who has not been driving for last 6 months or so.